The magic of songbirds, nature's melodic wonders. Imagine stepping outside to a world full of music, chirps, whistles, and melodies filling the air. Songbirds are nature's most charming performers, bringing vibrant energy to every branch and garden. Their songs aren't just sounds, they're the soundtrack of peaceful mornings and happy memories. From the fiery red of a cardinal to the dazzling yellow of a goldfinch, songbirds are a feast for the eyes and ears. Their unique tunes spark joy, helping us slow down and truly appreciate the beauty of the world around us. What's your favourite songbird melody? When we hear birdsong, it's a gentle reminder of our connection to the natural world. Whether on a hike, in a park, or simply out the window, their music invites calm and curiosity. It's impossible not to smile when listening to their cheerful symphony. Celebrate the wonder of songbirds by enjoying their music and inviting others to do the same. Step outside today, pause and listen. Share your favourite bird songs online and inspire others to enjoy these magical moments. Let's cherish and protect the songbirds that make our world more beautiful. Please click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.